Hello students, in this video we will going to discuss exercise 3.3. So let's start. In exercise 3.3, question number 1 is given here. Find the square roots of the following number by prime factorization method. So you have to find out the square root of these numbers. So let's see one example, question number 2. So question number 2 is given here 441. So you have to find out the square root of this number. So what to do? Firstly, do factorize of this number. So you will get this will go with 3, because if you add the digits you will get 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, that's why the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, there is 14 left. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 7 ja 21. Again this will go with 3, because if you add this number you will get 12. 12 is divisible by 3, that's why the whole number is divisible by 3. So if you divide 14 by 3 you will get 4 here and 9, and this will go with 7. 7 7 ja 49. So you will get the numbers 3 3 7 and 7. So you will get two pair, one is 3, another one is 7. So you can write this one like this way: 3 square into 7 square. Now do the square root. Therefore square root of this, so from this 3 to 2 3 1 3 will be comes out, and from this 2 7 1 7 will be comes out. So this will be 21 happen. So right here, hence the square root of the number is 21. Now go to next one, question number 2 Roman 2. So here is given one fractional number is given 7 whole 13 by 36. So you have to do the square root of this number. So what to do? Firstly, convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. For this you have to multiply firstly 36 and 17. 4 is carry here, 25 is here. So 6 1 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. So here is 2, 11, 1 is carry, and here is 6. So add 13 with this. So if you add 13, then you will get here 5 2 6. So you will get here 625 divided by 36. So you have to do the factorize of this 625 and 36 separately. So if you do factorize of this 625, what you will get? This will again go with 5. So here is 5 4 5. So 5 5 5 and 5. And if you do factorize this 36, what you will get? There is 2, there is 4 and 2 2. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Now here is 2 pair of 5 and there is 1 pair of 3 and 1 pair of 2. So you can do easily find out the square root of this. So square root of this number will be 1, there is a 4 5, so 2 5 will be comes out. 5 into 5, there is 2 3, 1 3 will be comes out, and there is 2 2, 1 2 will be comes out. So this will be 25 by 6. So if you convert again this one as a mixed fraction, what you will get? 25 by 6, 4 6 ja 24, here is 1 left, so 4 whole 1 by 6. So this is our answer. So right here, therefore the square root of 7 whole 13 by 36 is 4 whole 1 by 6. So in this way you can do left of the problem of question number 2. So let's see question number 3 problem. In question number 3, problems are given. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest natural number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. So which number you have to multiply with the given number to make it a perfect square, and also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So also you have to find out the square root of that number. So what to do? So let's see question number 2. So question number 2 is given here 720. Firstly, do the factorize of this number. So this will go with 2 and 12 is left. This will go with 6. Again go with 2. So 2 1 ja 2. Here is 16 left. 8 2 ja 16. Again divisible by 2. Again even number divisible by 2. This will go with 3. Again go with 3. So you can write this number like this way: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There is 4 2, 2 3 and only 1 5. So look at the pairs. This is one pair, this is one pair, this is one pair, and 5 is only unpaired. So what to do? If you multiply 5 again with this number, then you will get a perfect square number. So which number you have to multiply to get this one number is to make this number is a perfect square? That is 5. So you have to write here we can see that 5 is unpaired. So we have to multiply 5 to make 720 be a perfect square. Now here asking me again, also find the square root of the square number so obtained. That means after multiplying 5, what you will get? If you multiply 5 with this number 720 into 5, then you will get 5 0 ja 0, 5 2 ja 10, 1 is carry, 5 7 ja 35 plus 1, that will be 36. Now you have to find out the square root of this number. So if you try to find out the square root of this number, this will be 1 2 will be comes out from here, and from here 1 2 will be comes out, from this 3 1 3 will be comes out, and this 5, there is 2 5 now because we are already multiply 1 5, 1 5 will be comes out. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 to 4 5 ja 20, and 26 ja 23 ja 60 happen. Therefore the required square root is 60. In this way you have to do left of the problem up to question number 3. Thank you everyone.